Houston County in southeastern Minnesota, southeastern La Crosse County in west central Wisconsin, southern Jackson County in west central Wisconsin, northwestern Vernon County in southwestern Wisconsin, Monroe County in west central Wisconsin, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles west of Black River Falls to near West Salem to 6 miles southwest of Dakota, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near West Salem and Bangor around 8 p.m. Black River Falls and Cataract around 8:05 p.m. Sparta around 8:10 p.m. Fort McCoy around 8:15 p.m. Cashton, Coon Valley, and Millston around 8:20 p.m. Toma and Westby around 8:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include County Roads June H, Lincoln Ridge, Jersey Valley County Park, Shamrock, Irish Hill, north side of La Crosse and south side of La Crosse. This includes the following highways: Interstate 94 between mile markers 113 and 145. Interstate 90 in Wisconsin between mile markers 1 and 43. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following county: Houston, Minnesota, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Jackson, La Crosse, Monroe, and Vernon.
What do you know?